There's a point where instant coffee just stops feeling satisfying and you start wanting something richer, smoother, and genuinely cafe quality at home. That's exactly where the Breville Duo Temp Pro starts to make sense. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Breville Duo Temp Pro espresso machine, a home espresso machine designed for people who want real espresso performance without stepping into overly complicated prosumer territory. If you enjoy flat whites, cappuccinos, or balanced espresso shots and you're tired of inconsistent results from entry-level machines, this is one of those products that immediately feels more serious the moment you use it. And if you want to check current pricing or availability, the purchase link is waiting for you in the description below. Reason 1. Consistent espresso extraction that actually tastes balanced. One of the biggest differences between a good espresso machine and an average one is extraction control. The Duo Temp Pro uses low-pressure pre-infusion before full-pressure extraction, which helps saturate the coffee grounds evenly. In real-world use, this means fewer bitter or sour shots and a noticeably smoother flavor profile. Sweetness, acidity, and body feel more balanced, especially if you're using freshly ground beans. It's the kind of feature that builds confidence over time because your morning coffee becomes reliably good instead of occasionally good. Reason 2. Temperature stability creates a more premium experience. Breville uses a 1600-watt thermocoil heating system with an integrated stainless steel water path. That may sound technical, but the benefit is simple. Water reaches and maintains the right brewing temperature faster and more accurately. The machine also automatically purges after steaming milk, helping the next espresso shot return to the correct extraction temperature. That small detail matters more than people realize because temperature inconsistency is one of the main reasons home espresso can taste uneven. Reason 3. Excellent milk steaming for latte and cappuccino lovers. If milk-based drinks are your priority, this machine performs impressively well for its category. The steam wand produces proper microfoam with enough texture for latte art and cafe-style drinks at home. The steam pressure feels strong and responsive without becoming difficult to control. For beginners, it's approachable. For experienced users, it still offers enough manual control to create genuinely satisfying results. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, the steaming performance is consistently mentioned as one of the strongest parts of the ownership experience. Reason: thoughtful design makes daily use easier. The brushed stainless steel finish gives the machine a clean, premium look that fits naturally into modern kitchens without appearing oversized or industrial. More importantly, the workflow feels practical. The maintenance alerts, removable drip tray, included milk jug, filter baskets, and razor dose trimming tool all contribute to a setup that feels complete right out of the box. It's a machine designed for people who actually plan to use it daily, not just admire it on the countertop. Reason 5. Long-term value feels stronger than expected. What makes the Duo Temp Pro stand out is that it avoids unnecessary complexity while still delivering genuine espresso fundamentals. You're getting stable temperature management, solid steaming capability, quality construction, and a user-friendly experience in a package that can realistically serve someone for years with proper care. For many buyers, this becomes the machine that replaces repeated cafe spending while delivering a more personal and rewarding coffee routine at home. Final verdict: the Breville Duo Temp Pro is not fully automatic, and there is still a learning curve if you're completely new to espresso. You'll get the best results with a quality grinder and fresh beans. But that's also part of why this machine earns long-term respect from coffee enthusiasts. For buyers who want authentic espresso performance without jumping into extremely expensive commercial-style equipment, this is a very compelling middle ground. It feels refined, dependable, and thoughtfully engineered in all the ways that matter most. If you've been looking for a home espresso machine that rewards consistency, encourages better coffee habits, and genuinely elevates your daily routine, the Duo Temp Pro is absolutely worth serious consideration. And if this review helped narrow down your decision, you can find the product link in the description below. Thanks for watching Buy with Confidence, and I'll see you in the next one.